2 million people died fighting over a single city. Stalingrad wasn't a strategic fortress or a vital port. It was a factory town on the Volga River. Yet for 5 months, two of the largest armies on Earth tore it apart block by block. Why here? Hitler's army had crushed everything in open terrain. Tanks and dive bombers dominated flat ground. But Stalingrad's narrow streets and bombed-out buildings turned those advantages to zero. German armor couldn't maneuver. Airstrikes hit rubble that was already rubble. Soviet soldiers fought from basements, sewers, and factory floors, sometimes just meters from the enemy. Stalin issued Order 227, not one step back. Retreat meant execution, so Soviet troops held every ruined building like a fortress. Meanwhile, Hitler refused to withdraw. He'd staked his reputation on capturing the city that bore Stalin's name. 2 dictators, 2 egos, and neither would blink. By February 1943, the German Sixth Army was encircled and starving. Over 90,000 surrendered, the first time a German field marshal had ever been captured. Stalingrad became the bloodiest battle in history not because of strategy, but because 2 leaders chose pride over lives.